So now the next one was what? The conversion. So how do you do the conversion? Let us suppose you have to convert one dyne. So one Newton into one dyne. So how do you do using dimension? Do you have any idea? Yes. Yes. What did you say, Anvisha? I didn't get you.
Ma'am, in the first class we did it. N1, U1 is equal.
Yeah. So you know that first was using the units. So now using dimension also you can do the conversion. So for that there is a very long procedure, but usually what students do when such questions come, they use the unit method to do that. So instead of using directly the unit method, you can use dimension also, right? The formula is same, like N1 U1, right, is equal to N2 U2. Using this, we did the conversion in the first class. Now how to use this formula to, and also the dimension to get convert the one unit to another form of unit, right? So if let us suppose 1 Newton you have to convert, right? So how do you, Newton is an SI unit, right? And if you have to convert into CGS, so this is the unit of force, and we know in SI, and the unit of force in the CGS system is dyne. So how do you do that? So that is very simple. You know the force dimension is what? It is M. Yeah, Anvisha, what is it?
And P minus 2.
Yeah. Right. So now N1 is what? 1 Newton, right? So I take the value of N1 as 1 Newton. Now we know it is MLT minus T to the power minus 2 as a dimension of this force, right? So you can say M1 is equal to kg, right? So L1 is in meters, right? And T1 is in seconds, right? For this is for SI. Now we have to find for the CGS system, which we don't know the numerical value, we have to find this. And M2 is in grams, then L2 is in centimeter, and T2 is in seconds again, right? So we know N1 U1 is equal to N2 U2. Now you can substitute this. N1 U1 is equal to N2 U2. So what we have to find? We have to find N2. So what is that? N1 U1 upon U2. So now what you will do? You place the values of this. N1 is 1, right? Now you have to put the unit value. Now what you'll do? You place the dimensions, all the dimensions. What are the dimensions of this? You can write as M1, right? Then the L1 and T1 to the power minus 2. And this one was M2, yeah, L2, T to the power minus 2. So what you have got, or you can say as 1 times, this is M1, M2, right? L1, L2, this is T1 upon T2, the whole thing to the power minus 2. So now we have to calculate the value of N2, right? So 1 into, so M1 you know is what? 1 kg, right? Upon 1 gram, then 1 meter, then that is 1 centimeter, 1 second, 1 second, the power minus 2, right? So now 1 kg is how much? You have to substitute the value of 1 into 10 to 10 into 10 power 3, right? This is gram, 1 gram. 1 meter is how many? That centimeter, 10 to the power 2 centimeter. Then again centimeter. So again second, 1 second upon 1 second to the power minus 2. So gram gets cancelled, centimeter, second. So what is left? Numerical value we are getting 10 to the power 5 dyne. So this is 10 to the power 5. So that is 1 Newton is 10 to the power 5 dyne. So it's the same thing. Only thing what you saw, we have substituted this dimensional, right? M1, L1, T1, we have written it. But directly you can also use that method of units, right? So in like or if they give such questions, you directly use the unit one. Don't like this will be a quite lengthy procedure, right? So